Dear friends, in class 7, we are studying 10th lesson, 10th chapter, practical geometry. And we are trying to construct the triangles if different things are given to us. Here, next topic is constructing a triangle when the measure of two of its angles and the length of the side included between them is given. Please note, here two angles are given and 2 and the length of that side which is included by the known angles is given to us. Then how to construct a triangle? For this, let us see how it could be done. First, we will take one example for this. Same example as given in the text. Construct triangle XYZ if it is given that XY is equal to 6 centimeters. So one of the side is given to us as 6 centimeter. So this XY is 6 centimeters. And measure of angle ZXY, this angle X, we want to construct a triangle XYZ. Please note, we can draw the segment of the known length only at the horizontal, that is at the bottom. So we need to construct this XY at the bottom, that is XY is equal to 6 centimeters. Angle X is equal to 30 centimeters. This angle is 30 degrees. Then angle Y is 100 degrees. Angle Y is 100 degrees. So please note, this angle will be more than 90 degrees. So it will be an obtuse angle. It won't be like this. So it will be something like this. Angle Y is obtuse angle. So this angle is 100 degrees. And angle X is 30 degrees. So X, Y and Z. So our angle will be something like this. Let's see how it could be constructed. So for this, we need to draw XY as 6 centimeters. So for this, we will take a segment of 6 centimeters. For this, first mark the 0 centimeter, mark 0 and 6 centimeters. So these are the 2 points, X and Y. So mark them as X and Y. Then join the 2 points X and Y with the help of a segment. Then take a protractor. With the help of protractor, draw an angle of 30 degrees. Please note, while keeping our 0 line must coincide with the segment. So this angle is 30 degrees. We have seen that some angles can be drawn with the help of compass as well. Now we are going to see how 30 degrees can be constructed with the help of compass. So we know how to construct the angle 60 degrees. For this, we will construct again the angle 60 degrees with the help of compass. Please note, I have made an arc. Now without changing the distance, I am keeping it here. Please note the point. This, if I draw a segment, this will be 60 degrees. We don't want 60 degrees, we want 30 degrees. So we need to bisect this 60 degree angle. Now please note how it could, this is an 60 degree angle. This is what we have studied. Let us bisect the angle 60 degrees to get the 30 degrees. For this, I am keeping a compass on this point, making an arc at the center. Then again I am keeping a compass at the intersection point of the segment and the arc, earlier arc. I will get the intersection of the two arcs. Now join this segment. Please note, if you draw a line passing through the vertex and the intersection of the two arcs, it passes through the point which is 30 degrees. So draw a ray passing through the 30 degrees mark. So this angle is 30 degrees. Now next is, we have to construct an angle of 100 degrees at the vertex Y. So how to construct? For this, take a protractor, keep at point Y. Please note, 0 point must coincide with the segment which is drawn earlier. 100 is somewhere here. You please note. This time we have to consider this side 0. Since the segment is to the left side, we have to consider left side 0. If the segment is towards the right side, we have to consider right side 0. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. The 100 which is outside should be considered. Make a point at 100 and then we are going to join this point to the vertex y. Please note there exists another 100 but it is for this 0. So please be careful. It is seen that many students make mistake while drawing an angle. They write this 80 as 100 and 100 as 80. Now draw a segment, draw a ray passing through the point and our vertex y. The intersection of these 2 points is the point Z. This is point Z and the angle is 100 degrees. XY, the segment is 6 centimeters. So in this way, the triangle XYZ can be drawn if XY is 6 centimeters, angle ZXY, that is angle X, is 30 degrees and angle XYZ, that is angle Y, is 100 degrees. Dear friends, we have already studied that sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So this is 30 degrees. 100 degrees means 130 degrees. It means angle Z must be 180 minus 130, that is equal to 50 degree. Let us check whether our triangle is correct or not. See how I am keeping the protractor. 0 mark. I am keeping the center of the protractor at vertex Z and the segment is exactly getting coincide with the segment YZ. This, please note, 50 degrees. This angle is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Exact 50 degrees is the measure of angle. Z. Now, from this we understand that sum of interior angles of a triangle is 100 plus 30 plus 50. That is 30 plus 50 is 80. 80 plus 100 is 180 degrees. It means sum of interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. So we are going to use this property sometimes if we are given that two angles are known and included side is not given. Please note, if included side is not given, then to construct the triangle we need to use this property. Let's see how it can be used. Dear friends, we have the next question. Construct triangle ABC if AC is equal to 7 cm. Please note, only one side is known. So we will have to construct this AC at the bottom. It means we need to construct a triangle something like this. AC will come downside, AC and B will be upside. Now angle A is given to us as this angle is given to us as 60 degrees. Angle B is given to us as 50 degrees. Please note. But angle C is not given to us. So we can construct this, we will have to construct this segment at the bottom only. But we cannot construct and this angle 50 degrees because this distance is not known to us. If the distance is known, then and then only we would be able to construct the angle. So for this we are going to use the angle sum property of a triangle. We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C in a triangle is 180 degrees. It means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. This is what we have studied. Out of these two angles are known to us. Angle A is 60 degrees and angle B is 50 degrees. Plus angle C is not known to us, must be equal to 180 degrees. Please note this 60 plus 50 is 110. So 110 plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. If you transpose 110 to RHS, we will get angle C is equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. It means this angle is 70 degrees. Angle C is 70 degrees. Now, angle A is known, angle C is known. It is 70 degrees. So it is very easy to construct the triangle. We have already drawn one of the angle. If two angles and the side included by them is known to us. How to construct the triangle, that is what we have studied. So for this again we will go by the same method. For this we need to draw a segment of 7 centimeter. So first make the points of 0 and 7 centimeters. So this is a point of 0 and this is a point of 7 centimeters. Now join these 2 points. Name these points as A and C. With the help of protractor, we can draw angle 60 degrees. I have already told you 60 degrees can be constructed with the help of compass as well. For this, keep the compass at point A, make an arc intersecting the segment, then again keep the compass at the intersection point and draw a ray passing through the intersection of the two arcs. You will notice that this is 60 degrees. Please note, with the help of protractor mark we have made a 60 degree, and with the help of compass also we have drawn angle 60 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees. AC is 7 centimeters. Now next is 70 degree angle. Angle C is 70 degree. Please note, we cannot draw all the angles with the help of compass easily. So for some of the angles like this angle 70 degrees, we are going to use protractor only. So please note, this time I have taken this side 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 because the segment is to the left hand side. So this 70 I am going to use. So draw a segment passing through the point C and the point that we have marked. It came exactly at the arrowhead. So I am going to extend this segment. Intersection of the two rays is the point B. This angle which we have drawn with the help of protractor is 70 degrees. Now we know that angle sum property of a triangle is 180 degrees. It means this is 70 plus 60, that is 130. So angle B is left with only 50 degrees. Sum of interior angles of a triangle thus becomes 50 plus 60, 110 plus 70, 180 degrees. It means angle B must be 50 degrees only. In this way, we can construct a triangle ABC if AC is 7 cm, angle A is 60 degrees and angle B is 50 degrees. Dear friends, in exercise 10.4, we have first question. Construct triangle ABC given measure of angle A is equal to 60 degrees. Then measure of angle B is equal to 30 degrees and angle and the side AB is 5.8 centimeter. So we need to draw a segment first. Please note, segment is 5.8 centimeter. So figure will be something like this. AB is 5.8. So this is AB is 5.8 centimeter. Angle A is 60 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees and angle B is 30 degrees. See how it could be constructed. So for this we need to draw the segment AB of 5.8 centimeters. So first, with the help of scale, make a point at 0 centimeters and 5.8. Please note, 5, this is 5.5, 6, 7 and 8. 2 points, 2 millimeters less to 6. So this is vertex A and vertex B. These 2 points are point A and point B. Join the 2 points with the help of a scale. Now we are told to draw triangle ABC. So C vertex is at the top, and for this we need angle A is equal to 60 degrees. So angle A can be constructed with the help of protractor. Any one method you can follow unless and until it is mentioned in the question. So here 60 degrees is the point. So if you draw a ray passing through this 60 degrees, it we can draw angle A is equal to 60 degrees. But I am going to follow the method of compass. For this, I am keeping a compass on point A and making an arc which will intersect the segment. Now again I am keeping it at the intersection of this point and making an arc. Now draw a ray passing through the point A and the 60-degree mark. So we will get something like this. This is a ray. Now 30-degree can also be constructed with the help of protractor as well as compass. I am going to prefer compass. You can use protractor as well. So please note, without changing this distance, I am making another arc. If you change the distance, then angle will change. So please note, for drawing the 60-degree with the compass, we don't have to change the distance. So we have got 60-degree mark. Now from this 60-degree, we need to draw a 30-degree mark. So you can, without drawing the ray also, you can use. Please keep the compass at the intersection point. Make an arc at the center. Then again keep. So this is 30 degrees. Join with the help of scale. This point is a C point. A, B and C. Please note, AB is 5.8 centimeter. Angle A is 60 degrees. Angle B is 30 degrees. So this triangle ABC is the triangle in which angle A is 60 degrees, angle B is 30 degrees and AB is 5.8 centimeters. So in this way the construction can be done. Dear friends, in exercise 10.4 we have second question. Construct triangle PQR if PQ is equal to 5 centimeters. Please note, the side which is known to us we have to take at the bottom. So construct a triangle PQR in which PQ is at the bottom, which is 5 centimeters. Then we are given angle PQR. This angle Q is 105 degrees. Please note, it is obtuse angle, so figure will change. Angle QRP, upside angle is given 40 degrees. Let's see what happens if this angle is not given to us. We need two angles and the side included by them. Then and then only we can construct. So this cannot be constructed unless and until we know angle P. But we know that angle sum property of a triangle is, if you add this angle P plus Q plus R, sum must be 180 degrees. So by using that property, we are going to find angle P and then we are going to draw. So for this, let us first draw PQ is equal to 5 centimeters. So PQ is 5 centimeters. For this, make an arc at 0 and 5. Join this. P and Q. Now 105 can be constructed with the help of compass also, but it's a lengthy process, so I am preferring this time a protractor. Keep a protractor at Q. Please note, our segment is to the left side, so left side 0 must be used. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 110. It means 105 is between 100 and 110. So this is 105. Make a point at 105 degrees. Then with the help of scale, draw a ray passing through the point R. Now see what is happening. Where is point R? Location of point R is not known. So we cannot keep anywhere where to keep this R. We need to find angle R is equal to 40 degrees. Angle R is 40 degrees here. but it must come to the point P. So it is very difficult. If you move the segment like this, still it is very difficult for you, such that this angle R will be 40 degrees and the point P will coincide with it, with the ray passing through the point R, making an angle 40 degrees to this upside line. So what we do is, we use the angle sum property of the triangle. So for this we use, and we know that angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Out of this, Q is 105 degrees, R is 40 degrees, angle P is not known to us. So we do the addition of this. Please note, 105 plus 40 is 145. Sorry, this plus I have kept as it is equal to 180 degrees. Now transpose 145 to the right hand side. It is positive, so it will become negative. It means angle P is equal to 180 minus 145. So this is equal to 35 degrees. Now it is very easy. Angle P is 35 degrees. So keep the protractor at the vertex P and see that 0 exactly coincides with the P. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 35 is somewhere here. Now draw a ray passing through the 35 degrees and point P. So angle P is 35 degrees and angle Q is 105 degrees. It means remaining angle will be, this will be 140 degrees. 105 plus 35 is 140. It means remaining angle is 40 degrees. With the help of protractor, we can check whether the remaining angle is 40 degrees or not. So for this, keep the 0 mark. Keep the 0 mark. Please note 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So this ray exactly coincide with our P segment. It means this point is point R. So in this way, we can construct a triangle PQR if PQ is 5 centimeters. Measure of angle Q PQR is 105 degrees and QRP, that is R, is 40 degrees. Dear friends, now we have the next question. Examine whether you can construct triangle DEF such that EF is 7.2. So we are given EF is 7.2. So this segment must be 7.2 centimeters. EF. F is 80 degrees. F is 80 degrees means it will be somewhere here. Slightly less than 90 degrees. And angle E is 110 degrees. So it will be obtuse angle. Please note. Dear friends, please note that this is an increasing distance. So these two rays will never meet and we will not be able to form a triangle. Also you can see that sum of interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. Here we have got angle E plus angle F is equal to 110 plus 80, that is equal to 190 degrees. So please note, this sum is greater than 180 degrees. It means third angle D will not exist. So angle D does not exist. So from this you will understand that it is not possible to construct a triangle DEF. With the help of protractor also we can check this. For this we have to draw the segment EF is equal to 7.2. So 7 and next point is 7.2 will come here somewhere. Join this. So when you join, name them as E and F. With the help of protractor, you can construct an angle of 80 degrees. So at vertex A, 80 degrees will come somewhere here. And if you draw the ray, it will be something like this. Please note, I am extending it further. Then next is angle E is equal to 110 degrees. So if you keep it here coinciding with the segment, 110, please note this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Please, this side you have to increase this side since the segment is towards the right side of the protector. So 110 will come somewhere here. So 110 is, if you mark angle E, 110 is this side. This angle is 110 degrees. This angle is 80 degrees. Please note, the distance goes on increasing, means it is not possible to construct a triangle DEF, and the reason is, here sum of two angle itself is 190 degrees. We want sum of three angles to be 180 degrees, then only it is possible to construct the triangle. So it is not possible to construct triangle DEF. Reason is, angle sum of interior angles of a triangle property is not applicable here. Sum of two angles is 190 degrees. So sum of three angles cannot be 180 degrees. Hence, we cannot construct triangle DEF.